Hey, what's up guys? So if you've seen my videos where I'm installing some aftermarket parts on the Tenere, you'll have seen me do this several times already. Which you would really think should be no big deal. That's definitely what I thought. However, I noticed on the Tenere Facebook page that a couple people were saying that they didn't know how to jack the bikes up to work on them, because apparently according to the owner's manual, you are not supposed to do this. And basically the reason behind that is just that this bar that this bash plate is attached to isn't really part of the frame. It's kind of almost an afterthought. It's basically just attached to this peg bracket here, just the lower portion of it, and then just held on by 2 bolts up here. So this is really just kind of here just to basically lightly hold this in place, and these are actually wear parts. So I'm not really too worried about doing this. Obviously I've got it jacked up here. I need to clean my chain up, and that's usually how I do it. I lift the back tire up. So basically what I'll probably stick to doing is just lifting parts of the bike up and not completely picking it up all the way off the ground. I think that would maybe cause some issues. But I think the way I've got it, just picking the front tire up a little bit or picking the rear tire up a little bit and letting some of the weight of the bike rest on the opposite tire, I think is gonna be just fine. However, I'm definitely not telling you guys to do this. I would say use your owner's manual, use your judgment, and do whatever you think is right. Technically, this is wrong. Technically, you should not be doing this. And technically, I'm telling you, do not jack up your bike this way. They do sell jacks specifically that will jack up the rear linkage of the bike, I think it is. It's supposed to grab somewhere back here. Maybe I can see if I can find a link and put it down in the description if you guys are interested in that. I guess that's technically the right way to do it. Otherwise, I mean, you're really supposed to be lifting on something that's more structural. They also talk in the owner's manual about using like a 2x4 somewhere or some wood, and I don't really understand what they're talking about as far as that goes. Originally, I thought that would be so you could get it like underneath the motor and jack it up by the motor, which definitely doesn't seem good to me. But I'm not really sure what they're trying to get at with that, because there isn't a place that you can actually get to the motor because the exhaust pipe is in the way. So I don't really know what they're talking about. Maybe one of you guys can comment down below and tell me exactly what it is that Yamaha wants you to do with this. But I guess this is a no-no. This is naughty. Don't do this. So I'm going to readjust this a little bit so I get my back tire off the ground, clean my chain up, and then I'm actually gonna take this thing out for a ride. That'll be a different video. If you guys want to see that video, make sure you click this Swanky Cat logo here. I put out videos every week in the summer, usually on the weekends. Otherwise, if you want to check out some more videos right now, check them out right here. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, stay safe, stay swanky. Make sure you get out and ride your machine and enjoy this beautiful world. She's a beauty, isn't she?